Okay, let me get my...
Put it on top.
Huh?
Remember, you put it on top where the glue is.
I'm working on all the people at the same time. All the other trying to finish.
This is the rough part of virtual school. And he gets overwhelmed, and I get overwhelmed, and we don't know what we're doing, and everything's crazy. It's just Daddy saving the day, but good morning.
I was dead. Right? Today is an early release day. Does anybody know what that means? Good job, Harrison. Does anybody know what early release day means?
Right, we are done. Oh, look at his ornament. Pretty. Beautimous.
Now I'm gonna play with snow. It's not real snow, fake snow. We're all in Florida. So
That's it? Oh,
oopsie.
that's it?
Yeah.
So she made it, or she made it for you already?
I have to
Oh, careful.
make something myself. I make a snowball.
Okay.
Give me a napkin, please.
What'd you say?
Can you please give me a napkin?
Yes, I can.
I'm just gonna roll up the ball.
Okay, guys, I just made the best lunch for myself. Okay, let me show you what I did. So, I saw this thing on Pinterest where you take street taco tortillas, street ties, like it's big as my hand. You put it in the toaster. When you put it in there, I put it on 3, it will rise and open up like a little balloon, and you can make it into a little pita, okay? Look what I did. Inside, look, this is what it turns into. Inside my little pita, I put chicken, cucumbers, tomatoes, hummus,
And I'm hungry.
and cheese, and it's so good. I'm making you some chicken. It is so good. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is the best. So I'm gonna have that in a pickle. I'm gonna make another one because I'm really hungry. Alright guys, so I'm eating my lunch. I'm super proud of my little pitas. So good. Look at them. It's so good. So I'm eating that, drinking some lemonade. I'm also working on some new recipes for coffee for you guys. Some type of, I'm trying an eggnog latte to see if you guys might like this. And then probably show it to you guys tomorrow. And that's it. Love you guys. I'll see you. I'm gonna clean up upstairs, get my life back. It's been kind of a rough morning for me. I cried already. Yep, I already cried. And I'm just tired. So I'll see you guys. Maybe I'll do a bed fix. Let's do a bed fix sequence. And then I'll see you at work. We're getting ready to drop off. Getting ready to drop off Roman's teacher's Christmas gift. So super happy about that.
Hey, go inside.
You're coming.
I am. Ready?
So we wrapped it all up.
No filming inside.
Huh?
There's no filming inside.
I'm not gonna film inside.
Okay.
So this is her gift. Super excited. I'm gonna grab me a mask. One for you.
I don't have one. I'm ready.
And one for me. Where are you? Oh, this is one. And one for me. And let's go. All right, we're back. That was super easy. Whew, super easy, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go back in the back. Let's get out. Plug in.
I am.
Oh, I gotta go this way. Okay, Roman's mask is in here. Mommy's got her. We're good to go.
It's so good when you take off a mask.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
It does. So now we're on our way to drop off Roman to Gigi's and then head to work. I got a lot of work
He's
stuff.
heading to work.
Yes, I got a lot of work stuff done already. Wednesday seems to be like a really busy day for me, which stinks because school is so scrunched in. Also, I wasn't able to film style replays yet, so I'm a little behind on the style replays, but it's okay. I still have like a lot of content to post, so maybe I'll film it tomorrow morning. Hey everyone, I'm at work. I'm going to show you what I'm wearing today because I didn't get to show you before I left. I'm in the women's bathroom. Close this. Close this. Oh, and close this. Alright, let me show you. I decided to wear my favorite baseball cap that says "You Can" with my, this is a sweatshirt dress, but because of the belly, it lifts it up kind of high. So I wear it with leggings, and I'm wearing my neon yellow night joggers. And I think this was a really cute outfit. I'm actually getting into these like littler earrings. It makes me want to get a couple more piercings, but I thought this was super cute. I might even wear it tomorrow. You locked the door? Let me check. Good evening, everyone. Look at my hair. My hair is done. It needs to be curly again. Alright guys, so I finished rehearsal. I'm home. I'm gonna put all this footage on my phone, on my laptop. I'll edit in the morning. I have an early morning. I have a doctor's appointment. So tomorrow's the sugar test. Super exciting stuff. Hold on, we got some packages. Packages and the lights aren't on. Oh my Jesus. Let's do everything. Go inside. That's how you bring packages in pandemic style. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go and go bathroom and yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the morning. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.